Here we go. Cylinders. Okay, so you have your cylinder and you've got your ovals, you've got your oval. Just like we did last time, we're going to take the eraser and I would erase any central guidelines that we made. I got some guidelines down here and I have that half oval here on the bottom that I need to get rid of so that it's straight all the way down, right? Okay, so we're going to save the top for last. It's very important that you go to the end of the video to watch how that part's being done. All right, very important. It is a unique oddball and not what you normally think it would be for this space right there. So I'm going to start with this side is lighter. This is opposite of what we just did with our cone. It's going to be basically the same. I'll do some fast forward stuff here to kind of make it go faster. But the light is over here because the shadow is over there, right? Can't really see my shadow too much in this video. There's maybe just a little too much light in my room here. Darken that up a bit. Okay, I'm going to turn myself horizontally just because I can kind of make nicer lines left to right. If you do better up and down, you turn it how you need to. Again, I'm starting with the blending stump. I'm going to get it somewhat dirty here. I'm going to build up my mess. I'm still using my same scrap paper. This is my HB here. Okay, I'm going to pick up some more of this to get started with my lights. And then I'm going to continue with light to HB to 2B to 4B, just like we've done before. Okay, so let's look at the circle area up on top. Here's the logic behind it. Light is coming this way. It is coming from a probable round light bulb of some kind. Even if it has a shade on it, it creates a circular round light. So on the top of this, believe it or not, the brightest area of the surface of this can, say it's a Pringles can or something, the brightest light is going to be over here. I know it's crazy. It is opposite of the side of the can. And it happens over here in the shape of sort of an egg. So this area here is the brightest highlighted space. I just kind of drew myself a little egg shape, right? Out from that, another egg, only this time it's a little bit bigger. There are 3 different levels of brightness, okay? The oh my gosh bright, the I'm bright but not too dark, and the I'm medium bright, okay? So in here, I would barely even touch some of this dustiness around on it, okay? I would then maybe come in and lessen my hard pencil line so that it's mostly just the value. The next thing I would do is pick up a little bit more dirt, and I'm going to come in here and I'm going to start to shade this in. So I'm using this with the blenders because it is super light, and that's what the blenders are good for. Notice how there's a very subtle difference between this and this, right? Which way am I shading up here? Good question. I am shading horizontally. Why? Because this is a flat top, right? Just like the floor or the table is a flat table and our shadows go horizontally as well. The top is a horizontal flat piece. That's why I'm going horizontal. Then I'm going to make it just a little bit more darkness if I can, pick up a little bit more junk and finish this off up here. Kind of, I have to follow the curve just a little bit, but I try to get as much horizontal feel on it as possible. So there we have this, super light, sort of light-ish, okay, that happens up on top. If you need to use your eraser to clean off edges, go for it. Down here is just like we've done before. You probably don't have to hang on for this video, but just a reminder that we're going from 6B to 4B to 2B. All right, and I'm going to get started here, and if you want to start and turn this off and go to yours, that's cool. I'm going to put this on hyperspeed.